Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Thursday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. When I came in last night, I got the chance to make this necklace. I didn't feel like turning on the recorder because I was listening to a documentary and there's some other stuff. So when I do stuff like that, I'll just go ahead and create and don't turn the camera on. So I just went ahead and made this little necklace using that second pendant that I had made using the wood slice, that really nice wood slice. I went ahead and painted it. And it looks grayish. It was supposed to be black, but I put too much water in the black paint because when the paint comes out of the bottle, it's kind of thick. Out of the bottles like this, it's a little thick, and I just poured a little water in there to thin it up a little bit, but I think I put too much water and then put it in there, and it came out like kind of grayish, and it was okay. I like the way it looks. So this is what this looks like, and I went ahead and made a cute little pair of earrings with some hand painted beads, the brown with the black, and then went ahead and put these little cowrie shells on here. And then that's what we got. And then went ahead and mixed it with some of these, all these 25 millimeter beads, these little small 8 millimeter gold beads, and then some little spacer beads right here. And then this is what it is. I like it enough to keep it for myself. So for me, what I would generally do with the earrings, I have some little ball earrings. That's about 15 millimeter gold ball pierced earrings that I just put into my ear, and it's just the ball part, like like a round bead like this. And what I generally do a lot of times with earrings like this, I won't put the wire on the end. I'll take my round earrings and I'll put the pointed part, the post part through here, and on top of this, you will see like the ball part. Let me see if I can do it. Like this would be the earring, my gold earrings, and they're 100%, they're real gold, 14 karat gold. And I would put them, and it has a post on the back, and I put the post through that round part, and this is how the earring comes out on my ear. So I put that through, have the post on the back, close it off, and then this part hangs on my ear, and then the ball part is like right here. And then a lot of times I will do that to my earrings. And I do know that they have like those little, I don't know if they call them reversibles or what they call them, but you can put the little part on here and turn a pierced earring into a clip-on earring. I don't know how they do that. I never bought any of those, so I don't know how they do it. But I do know, like for me, because I make earrings and I make the jewelry, I'm able to not put the wire and then, use a different post earring to put through, and then have that as the top part right here, and then have that earring dangling. And I like these. I think these are really cute. I would wear these definitely. And when I wear these, I would do what I'm saying with those post earrings. I wouldn't wear it with the wire part. But I do like the way that the set came out. I really like the necklace. I'm digging the colors, all the little earth tones and all that good stuff. And it was really easy and quick to make. I needed to come in here and make some stuff because I was it's been a really busy week, crazy busy, work busy, family busy. I have a niece that's in the hospital right now. Just, it's just a lot. People are passing away at my congregation. People are passing away that I know. Like there's just a lot of stuff that's going on, not to even mention how the world is going crazy, with people in the world. And it's always some type of situation here, some type of situation there. It's always just something going on. And I was having a conversation with somebody this morning, and I was like, I don't know how people make it without the Lord, how people make it without prayer and meditation and, like all these type of things, and just having the peace of God, like with them. I just don't understand. And maybe that's why we're seeing what we're seeing, because people don't have the peace of the Lord with them. And it's like just craziness all around the world. And I do hope any of you that hear the sound of my voice, you're in a state of peace, you're in a state of calm, and, everything is going well with you. Your family is well. Everybody is healthy. Everybody is doing well, because, we know not what a day may bring. One day, everything is really good. Everybody is doing well. And then the next day we're hit with some type of hardship. And sometimes it's a little difficult to deal with. So we just got to stay prayed up. We got to meditate all the time and do those things and stay tapped in with the Lord. I mean, that's the best that we can do. But in the meantime, I'm really digging this set. I really like it. And you guys let me know what you think. And guess what? We'll talk.